Hey everyone, welcome back to Prudence channel. If you're passionate about living a healthy life, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 12 superfoods that can take your daily wellness to the next level. These nutrient-packed foods are easy to incorporate into your diet and are proven to boost your health in so many ways. So, let's get right into it. First up, we have blueberries. These tiny berries are a powerhouse of antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. They're also great for brain health and can improve memory and cognitive function. Toss them into your morning smoothie, yogurt, or just enjoy them as a snack. Next on the list is kale, one of the most nutrient-dense greens you can find. It's loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, along with fiber and antioxidants. Kale is perfect for salads, smoothies, or even baked as crispy chips. A simple way to get more greens into your day. Chia seeds might be small, but they're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. These little seeds help keep you full and support heart health. You can sprinkle them on your cereal, mix them into your yogurt, or make a delicious chia pudding. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs. It's also gluten-free and high in fiber, making it a great alternative to rice or pasta. Try it in salads, as a side dish, or even as a breakfast porridge. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which are great for your heart. They're also packed with vitamins, fiber, and potassium. Spread avocado on toast, add it to your salads, or blend it into a creamy smoothie for a nutritious boost. Salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health, reduce inflammation, and are essential for brain function. It's also rich in high-quality protein. Whether grilled, baked, or poached, salmon is a delicious way to get your dose of healthy fats. Almonds are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're also a great source of vitamin E, which is important for skin health. Snack on a handful of almonds, add them to your oatmeal, or use almond butter as a spread for a healthy and satisfying treat. Spinach is a leafy green loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and calcium. It's incredibly versatile. Add it to your smoothies, toss it in salads, or sauté it as a side dish. Spinach is a simple way to pack more nutrients into your meals. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein, probiotics, and calcium. It supports gut health and helps keep your bones strong. Enjoy it on its own, top it with fresh fruit, or use it as a base for smoothies and dips. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber, vitamins A and C, and antioxidants. They're also a great source of complex carbohydrates, providing steady energy. Roast them, mash them, or even bake them into fries for a nutritious and delicious addition to your meals. Turmeric is a spice known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, thanks to its active ingredient, curcumin. Add it to soups, stews, or even smoothies to reap its health benefits. A little goes a long way. Last but not least, green tea is packed with antioxidants, particularly catechins, which can help improve brain function, fat loss, and protect against cancer. Sip on green tea throughout the day for a gentle energy boost and a host of health benefits. And there you have it, 12 superfoods that can take your daily wellness to the next level. Incorporating these nutrient-packed foods into your diet is an easy and delicious way to support your overall health. Which superfood is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and wellness advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.